How to edit file in the cPanel File Manager. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Now go to the Files section and click File Manager. There is a list of file directories. Now go to the directory where your file is saved. For example, if it is inside public HTML, click Public HTML. Now go to the file you want to edit. Right-click on it and choose the Edit option. It is an HTML file, therefore click Edit HTML. Here you can change the character encoding as per your language requirement and then click Edit. The HTML file is open now. Make the changes you want and click the Save button. That's it. We have successfully edited the HTML file. Thank you for watching.